I'm nailing this.
100%. So weird. Just packed up my car and about to head out. That's another stage of life done. 8 months of living at the flat. Sad to say bye to my roommates, but I'm gonna see them again. I know that for sure. I'll be back in the area. And now off to the mount. Half the time I'm not sure how I even managed to luck out on my accommodations, but I got invited by some friends to stay down at the mount. But more about that in the next video.
Oh my gosh.
Good luck. Thank you.
Safe
flight. Story time with Kelly. Ready for this, Kelly?
Yes.
We are vlogging. Sorry, but that's how it goes when you invite me for Christmas. And we are heading to Auckland for Kelly's family Christmas. She's loving every moment of this. And the only time, other than the orchard, that I'll be wearing a face mask is in the plane. Here we go. You're social distancing on the plane. Of my own seat.
Right.
Actually, no. This happened to me in Thailand too, but this was pre-COVID. And now this is during COVID. It's quite nice, actually. It's only a 40-minute flight. It's
Get
gonna be
yourself
very
started up, get the air conditioner going, get it cooled down. And take off towards the east today. We'll climb up to back 11,000 feet through to Auckland, so make our way around the long way today.
So it is December 23rd here in Auckland. It's a bit of a rainy day. Kelly is right now napping and I just can't nap. I'm not a napper. I had the pleasure of chatting for a nice solid hour with Leah. Had a nice chat with her. And now I'm walking the botanical gardens off to get some coffee. Got to the coffee shop and the guy literally just locked the door, so I think that's it. No more coffee for me. So I guess I'm just gonna not walk out the emergency exit. Damn it. I'll have to see if there's something close by. The Auckland Botanical Garden covers 156 acres of land, 10 hectares of which is native forest. It was opened to the public in 1982. This botanical garden is a young garden by world standards. Yeah, so it looks like any other coffee shop is not even close by. Anything that's open is pretty far away. Otherwise, everything else closes at 2. Go check out this botanical garden when I get back. Hopefully Kelly's up and we can have a glass of wine instead. Just like that, we are back at the airport. Holidays are over. I had a great time in Auckland with Kelly's family. Thank you again for having me. But I have to admit, it was nice to leave that cold weather behind and get back to the heat. Just like that, we are back in Tauranga. Here comes Kelly, taking her sweet, sweet time. And well, when the weather is this nice, of course I decide to do something crazy. I have decided that it would be a great time to register myself to do a triathlon. Picked up my race stuff, and that's going to happen tomorrow. Yeah. I have not trained for this. Should be fun. Curious to see how I do. With very little training, I've been running, but I haven't been on a bike in a long time, so I'm going to do a bit of a cycle while Kelly and everyone else is at the cricket. I'm gonna go cycling and maybe head out for a bit of a surf as well. And that's my day in a nutshell. Apparently I just can't help myself. 6 o'clock in the morning, already at the start line. Just a little sprint try today. Nothing too crazy. 700 meter swim, 20k bike, 5k run. Haven't trained for this at all, but guess we'll see how I do. And there's Kelly volunteering. Working hard or hardly working, Kelly? Hardly working. I can tell. While I was racing, Kelly had decided it would be perfect timing to volunteer her time to running the event.
I'm nailing this.
100%. Although I didn't do as well as this guy, I did manage to finish the race with a smile on my face.
Everything's trembling.
Thanks for watching, and be sure to hit that subscribe button.
Feels like everything's crumbling. All the windows are shattering.